Radiator Springs Racers, it's time, I think. 75-minute standby, by the way, for Radiator Springs right now. It's only 9:50, 10 a.m. Oh, I'm blocking my code. I'm really good at this. Time to ride a little Radiator Springs.
I mean, hang on, I want to go into like Clubhouse and
Rusty Ridge Bridge.
Alright, Sarah. Yes, sir?
Are you a fan of Radiator Springs Racers?
I am the biggest fan of Radiator Springs.
What is your favorite part?
All of it.
But you gotta pick one.
Okay, not when you first start racing, but when you come to this part and it's like, boom, 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 and then you curve.
My favorite is right after that, the left turn.
Yeah, that's sick turn.
Because there's always a great shot of you in the other car.
Always. And then my second favorite part is the beginning when you come out from underneath the little bridge and the
oh yeah, the reveal of the waterfall, yeah. What's your favorite part, Ian?
It's an odd thing, but it's a really tiny thing. When you're coming around here, if you're on the right track, you go under a little overhang rock. For some reason, I always like, yeah, I like that. I don't know why.
I don't even know what part he's talking about.
Real life.
Again, on the first big right-hand turn.
Yeah.
When there's two tracks,
yeah.
on the right-hand one, you go and there's a rock over.
I know what you're talking about. You go under the, yeah.
I'll have to look out for that.
I think it's just similar to the reason people enjoy wooden coasters and going under all the stuff.
Yeah.
Right? Is that, oh, I just went under something.
Okay. You know, I'm gonna change my answer, although I do like your left turn. I think my favorite part is when the one dude says pit stop.
I like being called
he pops up and he's like, pit stop.
I like being called a hippie when I
oh yeah.
because I know he's talking to me and the dude.
You are a hippie. Fresh Bake, what is your favorite part of car or of Radiator Springs Racers? And are you a hippie? I've been in the standby queue just one time in my life in this attraction. One time have I gone through the world famous bottom house or stood in any of these parts of the attraction. And I just got dumped. There we go. I got left behind. One time. Hey, have you guys ever gone standby?
I feel like we did it once.
What?
Stand by. No?
Doesn't ring a bell.
No? One time I went, that's it. I don't think we've done it as a group.
I thought we tried doing it one time as a group, just because it was a relatively short wait.
Pretzels near Hyperion Theater have their own tag location.
I don't know.
Slow down! I just like the whole ride, okay?
It's great. This is one of the best rides in the world.
How do you not love that?
I mean, come on.
Just a bad spark plug. Hippie.
Race day!
Radiator Springs.
Why do I need to be fast?
You need to look fast. shiny paint don't win a race. Oh, go out there.
Most glorious race of your life! Wonderful. Do we for the show? Try to get ready and go out.
Clever to add today.
Beat you.
You did, huh? Let's go to Disneyland. I think I'm good with DCA today.
A little spooky.
What's that?
A little spooky.
A little spoopy?
Yeah, a little spooky.
Right on. What do you mean? Haunted Mansion?
I do.
Oh, awesome! It's open again, Fresh Bake.
I just got fast back to school for right now.
Okay.
Just walk over.
I guess we're going to Haunted Mansion, Fresh Bake. It's we're heading back over to Disneyland. The Haunted Mansion is open. Ian has used his hacking abilities. He's hacked the system and got us fast passes for right now. Don't tell anybody.
Or it just worked out that way.
No, dude, you're a super hacker.
See, but then people are kind of expect me to go do that all the time. Like, Ian, how do you do that? I'm like, I got lucky.
We called in all of our super secret favors because we know everybody here, obviously.
It's more like I know like 3 people at Star Tours, and then Adrian and
Ryan.
That's
he knows everybody that works at Star Tours. And
it's more like I know a handful of the rest just recognize me.
Is it one of those sup kind of things? You walk by, sup Ian, that kind of thing?
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes because a number of them watch Fresh Bake, so.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's not. Here's that weird dude that comes here every day.
I hope it's not. I wouldn't blame them if it's that. I wouldn't blame them at all if that's the impression. I hope it's not.
Anyway, that's where we're heading. We're going to go to Disneyland, ride Haunted Mansion, Fresh Baked and stuff. Now, we're about to get the party started, Fresh Baked. We're going to Disneyland.
Fresh Bake, are you thirsty?
I'm a little thirsty. You want to get something to drink, Sarah?
So.
Sarah, take us to where the drink of your choice is.
Oh my god, okay.
Unless it's a Poison Apple Freeze. You just had one of those.
That last weekend.
Yeah, you can't do that again.
Can't do it again. What's with the wall blocking that?
They're not thinking.
That's I don't even think that's a group. I think that's just people accumulating.
Yeah. You guys are blocking an entire entrance.
There goes the train.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually, before we find Sarah's drink, I thought I'd take a minute to get a little update on the construction progress here at Town Square. You can see these guys are constructionizing as we speak. He's got one of those little mini bulldozer things. He's just moving some dirt around. Ah, dirt. We love the moving of the dirt. So I don't know what he's doing. He's just picking it up and then putting it back there a little bit. And then we have another guy over here. He's just shoveling that dirt into that hole over there. Can't really tell what, like, I think that, well, they dug up the road there, so they're going to put in new road, a new track right there. Are they preparing to do the same over there, or have they done it already? I'm not sure. Now, I'm not sure, the whole thing is supposed to take 2 months, but that's for the entire project.
My version of Disney Basic.
What happened?
Saying she's not full Disney Basic because it's a cruise line, Spirit Jersey, not
Oh, right.
And their 60th years.
So you're still,
not rose gold ears.
you're still not quite being totally basic.
But I'm like halfway there.
I like 2/3.
2/3.
2/3?
Give me an iced coffee and we're there.
An iced coffee. All right. Ian, what do you think, how long do you think these walls will be up on this part of Town Square?
On this part,
A couple weeks at least?
at least another couple weeks, so
Yeah.
at least a month total.
All right.
Yeah, I was gonna say mid-Feb.
So we're gonna take this tour around the walls of Wellness. Look, they got little signs up. What does the sign say, Sarah?
It represents the crossroads of 2 eras.
Oh, which era? Is this the one era and that's the other era?
No, that's one era and that's the other era.
I think it's referring to turn of the century from 19th to 20th.
Oh, it says 2 eras, so
Oh wait, are they talking about
maybe that's an era also.
I know I'm literal, but I feel like you're stealing my bitch. You're stealing
combination
my
of old and new
Guys,
existing
Ian's
side by
getting jealous that I'm
side.
stealing his sense of humor. He's
I'm
not
saying,
liking it.
I have a very unique style.
Look who
I
designed
don't
it.
appreciate being stolen.
Wed.
WED, huh? What does that stand for?
You know what?
You know? I feel silly today, Fresh Baked. I feel really silly. They still haven't started down the middle yet. That's good.
Well, they're not gonna, I don't think they'll do the middle until the ends are done. 'Cause
Probably,
otherwise,
yeah.
there's no way to get across them without going all the way down.
No, I want the whole thing blocked off. I don't want to see the other side of Main Street for 2 months.
You want to inconvenience as many guests as possible.
That's right.
So you have every cast member
That's
yell
right.
and scream down.
Yes.
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 See how you like
And
it.
now we just lost all the muffins to our CMs. Thanks for that.
We love you, CM Muffins, more than everything, more than the air we breathe. We haven't seen a movie at the cinema in a long time either, have we? But we're thirsty. Sarah, take us to your drink of choice.
No, I'm like, there's like nothing exciting. We already did a Dole flow last
I can't hear any of the words that you're saying.
I used to tell jokes at my old job.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was a piano tuner.
Oh really? What happened? Why are you?
I quit. There are too many strings attached.
You know, that reminds me, I recently had my job expired from the job over the calendar making factory.
Really?
Oh no.
I took too many days off.
But
Yeah, that's interesting. You know, recently I actually just got fired from my job over at the orange juice factory.
What happened?
Yeah. Couldn't concentrate. Well, you know, I'll add to the party here. I got fired from my job over at the factory crushing cans. Oh no, what happened to your job crushing cans? It was so depressing.
Maybe we should see if you're going to get fired from this job.
No joke.
Bye bye blues, bye bye blues. Bells ring, birds sing, sun is shining, no more pining, just we two, smiling blue. Don't sigh, don't cry, bye bye blues. Bum, bum, bye. Bye bye to those bum, 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 bye. Bye bye to those bum, 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 bum. Don't let me sigh, don't let me cry. Bells are ringing, bells are singing. Bye. Bye bye to those bum, 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 bye. Bye bye to those bum, 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 bum. Don't let me hear you sigh. Don't let me hear you cry. Bye bye to those
All right. It's called Refreshment Corner, but everybody just calls it Coke Corner. It's lovely. Is it not open yet, Sarah?
Too early.
Aw. Wah, wah, wah. Because they have a pulled pork hot dog for sale in there.
You know what else you can get?
What?
Cherry Coke.
With the actual pump of cherry. Not like pre-mixed cherry, but
No, not
yeah.
mixed cherry.
Which for some is not as good as the pre-mixed cherry, like myself. But
I mean, I like the pump of cherry.
well then, now what?
We still have our mansion.
That's right, we still have to go to Haunted Mansion, so let's do that then, I guess.
Maybe a thought for a drink will come to us in the meantime.
That's true, and we do need to get a snack also. I need to get a pickle today.
At some point.
I'm in the market for a pickle. I'd like to walk up those stairs one day.
Walk for a set of them.
Yeah, that's true, huh?
Do you remember when all of like
If you're feeling like it's not very crowded, it's still early yet. It's 10 o'clock. So we're not quite at peak times. This will get more intense in short order. There it is. The old Haunted Mansion is back.
It also means the queue doesn't wrap around through the entire garden outside because it's not the overlay.
Wait, what's that?
It means because it's not the overlay, you don't have the queue all day long.
Oh,
wrapping
yeah,
through
right.
The entire gardens.
It doesn't get like that very often when it's regular Haunted Mansion.
Sparrow's down there.
Jack Sparrow's down there, he says.
Are you ready yet?
Captain Jack.
Hello.
I have a question.
It looks like an old one.
It is an odd one, but you're used to that, aren't you? Yes. Do you think you could sign one with an elephant?
I've never signed an elephant before. Is this humanely correct?
It is.
It is.
We've checked. We've checked.
All right, where shall I sign?
Besides, you're a pirate anyway,
How about
so
the head?
whatever.
The head.
Yes, the head.
I'm thinking more of this area.
More the rump.
Yes, the
Yes,
rump.
the rump. I think that's a good idea.
Why is all the rump
Have
gone?
your baubles.
Thank you.
I love
They're
them.
actually rings. Yes.
Oh,
Now don't let this one fool you. I'm just married to the sea.
I like it.
Adventure.
I'll let the ladies know.
Please do. All right.
Thank you very
Now
much,
that I've
Jack.
signed your elephant, shall we have a portrait?
Let's have a portrait. Let's have a portrait. Oh, thank you, darling.
We got it.
Yes, thank you, Captain.
Thank you, Jack.
Have a lovely day.
I like that Jack. He was good. Not overdoing it at all.
Not at all. No,
Yeah.
not at all. I can dig it totally.
There was a Jack I saw the other day. I thought he was going to literally fall over. He was being overly drunk, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, how can you interact when you're like that?
All right. Here we go. Haunted Mansion.
I like that he properly responded as Jack would respond when you asked him.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!